Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How is everybody?
Ma'am, we are
We are fine.
We are fine.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Is it your summer vacation that has started today, or you all are still going to the school?
No, ma'am.
No,
It is
ma'am.
summer vacation.
No, ma'am. Till when
Ma'am,
you
due
have
to,
summer vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
Till when you have summer vacation?
Ma'am,
27.
26 June.
Yeah, ma'am, 27.
Okay.
Ma'am, 28
June 23.
मैम हमारी चल रही
बहुत अच्छी बात है. Let's do one activity today.
Okay, ma'am.
Many of you
Okay,
want to
ma'am.
become writers, right? Many of you are there who want to become writers. So I will name one person. That one person will speak one line and other person will continue to make a story. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You want me to tell with an example that what I want you to do, or you have understood?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. One example.
Okay, I will give you an example. Suppose I say that I went to the street today. The other person will say that I saw trees in the street. The next person will say there was a crow sitting on the tree. So we have to join sentences which are relatable. That by the end, we are able to make a story or a short passage. More probably, we are able to make a story, right? First, we will do this and then I will tell you why we are doing this and how it is a part of communication. So we will start with issue.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what about the test of
I have already sent you the marks of everyone, but I was a little confused with the second group. Some students told that they are having their examination in group B in their school. So I thought if your examination are going, then I should not send you another test to disturb you. But right now only I came to know that your summer vacation are going and there are no exams being held. Is there anyone
Excuse
for
me,
whom
ma'am.
exams are going?
My exams are going.
Whose exams are going?
My exams are going.
Malakjan,
SVM Maler Kotla.
First you complete with your examinations and then I will give you the second test. And I hope everybody
Excuse
has
me, ma'am.
received. Yes.
Ma'am, on what site you send the marks?
I have sent it to you on your emails.
Ma'am, I don't receive.
it. If you have not received it, I got one message from Sneha that she has entered her wrong email address. Sir has sent me that message. So I will resend the marks in an Excel sheet and I will send it in the evening today by the end of the class. Like by 10:30 or 11 p.m. I will send it to sir and sir will send it to you tomorrow morning. I was not
Okay, ma'am.
aware that some of you have entered the wrong email addresses. That's why I thought that you must have received. Okay. Now let's start with story making.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send the test again in the group?
Ma'am, what is the topic for story writing?
I will send it to you. You will decide the
Okay,
topic. The person who starts, I will name one person and the person who starts the story is going to tell us the name of the story, the topic, and he or she will speak 2 lines and then I will name some students whomsoever I take the name of, you are going to say 1 line. Okay? Your sentence formation should be correct. In case it is not correct, I will help you rectify it. Nobody has to be nervous, right? And nobody should be scared. We are going to have fun making the story. I'm sure you will like it. Who will start? Taranpreet for
Ma'am, thirsty
Can
crow.
I start? Ma'am, can I start?
everybody wants to start. Okay,
Ma'am,
we will
which
do this
story?
exercise. We will do this exercise for 5 minutes, and after that we will come back to communication. Okay?
Ma'am, which story?
Okay, ma'am.
You joined the class late, I guess. We are going to do a story formation right now. One student is going to start with a single sentence or two, and the next student is going to continue it with one
No,
sentence.
ma'am. I just want to know that what is the topic of the story?
Okay, you want me to give you a topic for the story?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the difference between current and right now?
What is the difference between?
Current and right now.
What is the difference between current and right now? Right now is immediately right now. That is at 8:30. However, current is the time that is going on. It can be from 8 to 9. It can be today, or it can be a process that is going on currently. The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. So he is presently or currently an ongoing process, a thing which is ongoing, whereas right now is confined to time. A particular time is right now. Here?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You wanted
Yes,
to ask me the correct pronunciation of Pranvi, but according to me, Pranvi is a Hindi word. I believe Pranvi is the right pronunciation, but if I am pronouncing it wrong, you can correct me.
Ma'am, but when others call me, they call me Pranvi.
So that's a slang because you people are in the 21st century. That is why they call you Pranvi. Otherwise, it's Pranvi.
My mother told me that my name is Pranvi and everybody say me Pranvi.
No, it's Pranvi. Your mother is right. It's Pranvi.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we are going to do listening in our next communication type. This is the reason I have switched off my video today. I will switch it on after 5 minutes once we are done with the story. So without wasting time, we are going to start the story, and the topic of the story is summer vacation. Who will start? Himanshi? I think she's not here.
I can start.
Who wants to start?
Ma'am, may I?
Naman? Naman, start.
Ma'am,
Topic the summer vacation.
Oh.
The summer vacation.
Yes,
The
Naman,
summer
start.
vacation.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am, your voice is clear now.
Okay, thank you. Now everybody will stay on mute, and only the student whom I will name will unmute his mic, and then he or she will continue with the story. I can mute you all and you all know this, but I don't want to do that because I want all of you to learn and interact with me. Okay? Naman, start.
Now start करें. The summer
Ma'am.
vacations are the most important part in our life, because in the summer vacation that in this time we can play with our friends and go to our friends live. So the summer vacations are the very important part in every school. In the June month, there are a summer vacations.
Okay, just one line. Naman, you said the whole paragraph. Himanshi? Okay, she's not here. Tamanna Thakur? Tamanna? Jaspreet Kaur? You people are able to hear me? Yes,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
please continue.
Yes,
Just
yes,
please
ma'am.
continue.
I love in this in last summer vacation I go to hill station and I
Very good.
enjoy my summer vacations.
Ma'am, please tell the topic.
Summer vacation. You have to make a story on summer vacation. I am repeating that you don't have to speak a passage or a paragraph. You have to make a story on summer vacation. And one person will speak one line and the next person will continue. Gauri? Gauri? Vanshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Ma'am, can I?
I will take your name.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
But you speak, I am able to hear. Okay. Satveer Kaur, you continue.
I love to live in the lap of nature with the feel of hills and joy. Uh, I, where-
Yes, very good. What you are not able to speak, tell me. I will tell you how to frame a sentence. Pratiksha, continue.
I enjoy my summer vacations as I can devote time to the activities. Besides, I love playing that I love to do. I
Very
also
good.
love to singing.
Good. Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
continue.
Ma'am, please tell the lines because I can't able to hear the voices of other person.
Why?
Ma'am, there is some network issue in my area.
Okay. They are speaking
Yes,
about
ma'am.
summer vacation and they are telling that they love summer vacation because they can enjoy and they can enjoy in the lap of nature. And in the previous summer vacation, one of the person went to a hill station.
Okay, ma'am. Summer vacation are the summer holidays summer vacation is the time period where all the schools are remain closed because of the high temperature. Last summer vacations I visited to a hill station. The name of the hill station is Kasoli. I enjoyed I enjoyed at Kasoli. I enjoyed a lot.
Very good. Very good. You can speak 2-3 lines more. You can make them.
Yes, ma'am.
So speak anything.
My friend, I went to the Kasoli with my relatives and my family. We we
Okay.
traveled in a car where we sing, where we dance, where we sung, danced. We enjoyed a lot. The weather of the weather at that time was very pleasant and very good. I love that weather.
Very good. It's not pleasant, it's pleasant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Palak,
Ma'am, yes.
you can continue.
Okay. Summer vacation is my favorite time of the year as it gives me a chance to relax and explore new things. This summer, I visited my native village, which is quite a distance from the city. It is a 5-hour journey by train. My grandparents stay there, and my grandfather takes some of the fields.
Okay. He has
Ma'am, I
some of his own fields, not he takes his fields. and he stays there. Okay?
Okay.
Natik? Natik, yes, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I love summer vacation because in this time I used to create new hobbies in my. I used to learn new hobbies and new hobbies like dancing, playing, singing, and other new hobbies which can create me more creative and very creative. In this summer vacation, I went to a hill station named Kullu Manali, where the weather was extremely cold, and I loved that weather. And there I saw a child that was crying because he has lost his parents, and I take him to the nearby health station, and I took the number of his parents from him and called his parents to that location, and their parents reached that location, and they saw their child, and they went to their home.
Very good. But it is nearby. Nearby is nearby. You took him to a nearby doctor and you called his parents, not him parents. You called his parents. Okay? Natik, are you
Okay,
able
ma'am.
to hear? Okay. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so now who else wants to try?
Ma'am, Pranvi.
Ma'am,
What's your name?
Ma'am, Pranvi.
May
I told all of you to raise your hands, but you didn't raise your hands when I was asking.
मैम
Yes?
तो मैंने
Okay.
आपको स्टोरी मैसेज कर दिया, मैम आप रीड कर लो.
हाँ, मैंने रीड कर ली बेटा, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी लिखी है आपने. स्टोरी तो आपने ही स्टार्ट की थी. प्राणवी, यू कैन कंटिन्यू.
Yes, ma'am. Summer vacations are important because every student needs to relax. In this summer vacation, in last summer vacation, I went to Nepal with my relatives and my family. Then in Nepal, we went to Kathmandu with bus. In weather in Kathmandu was decent and is very good. I picked up early in the morning and started travel, and I enjoyed a lot in Nepal.
Very good.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your voice.
I said that I don't want to say no to anyone. Maybe if we have to give more time to this, because everybody should get a chance. So Akarsh, you can try.
okay, ma'am. In this summer vacation, our school organizes a camp where they teaches us singing, dancing, craft, and other creative activities. So I also had been the part of that and enjoyed with my friends. So I enjoyed a lot at the summer vacation.
Very good. Kanav, you can try.
Summer vacation is my favorite time of the year as it gives me chance to relax and explore things. I visited at the last year. I visited my maternal grandparents.
Very good. What you are not able to say, I will help you.
I enjoyed a lot with my maternal grandparents in
Very
last
good.
summer vacation.
Very good.
After that, I came back to home and I did my homework of the summer vacation.
Good. So everybody has been good and everybody has made a very good try. But one thing all of you missed.
Ma'am, can I tell some lines?
Ma'am,
Who
can
wants to
I?
tell? Who, Ananya, you want to
Ma'am,
tell
can
or Sukhmanpreet, you want to tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am Ananya.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I want
Ananya,
to
tell.
tell.
Okay, Ananya, you. Okay, I'll give time to everyone. I will give time to everyone. Okay, Ananya, tell what you want to tell.
Yes, ma'am. Summer vacations are the most awaited time of the years of every student. Summer vacations bring a lot of chances to get involved in many activities that we have been doing for. It reminds me that holidays are the more useful if you utilize them correctly. Summer vacations offer the students Summer vacations offer the student to change their life with their daily routine. In the summer vacations, we have a much time to spend with with our families. It is my favorite time of all the year.
Very good. Adi?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Sukhmanpreet
can I?
first. Sukhmanpreet first, you can try. We will go in sequence. Sukhmanpreet?
Summer vacation is most important part of summers. In summer vacation, the afternoons are very hot. So many of the people and children go to swimming classes for summers. Many go to other their hobby classes. Some who interested in studies, they have to they have to read books and get knowledge from the books. I eat ice creams in summer vacations. But in last summer vacation, I did not able to go anywhere due to COVID-19, and I want to enjoy this summer vacation more than last year summer vacations. Thank you.
Good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I?
Adi,
Ma'am, can I?
I will
Ma'am,
give
can
chance
I
to
tell?
everyone. Those who have already been given a chance will not speak now. First, let everyone who wants to speak, let them speak and let them try. Sanvi? Adi, you are speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you speak. Let Adi speak. Next is your turn.
We can enjoy summer vacation by going to the park and play with our friends and relatives. In last summer vacation, I went to my relative's house. We enjoy very much. I and my brother make models.
Morals or models?
Models.
Okay, good. My brother and I, everybody listen to me. Whenever you have to speak with anyone else, you will not say I and my brother. First, the second person will come, my brother and I. He and me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Sukhmanpreet, there is no word as children's. It is children. The plural of child is children. Sanvi, it's your turn now.
In last summer vacation, I went to Manali. I went to Manali by car. The weather was very cold. I wore woolen clothes when I reached there. When I reached, it was a time of snowfall. I enjoy a lot that weather.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
can
please take my story.
Who wants to tell his or her story? You people are not saying story. You people are saying passages. This is what I was telling you, that we are going to work on listening. Listening is a part of communication. It is a type of communication which is going to help you. But what I said, everybody will say one line and then you have to make a story. But all of you started telling your experiences. I did not want to stop you in between.
story?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you want the importance of communications.
One by one.
Ma'am,
Let me speak. Let me complete first. Let me complete
Ma'am, can
first.
Ma'am, what
I
do
will
you
give you
understand?
chance, bache. I will give you chance. Don't worry. I've already given you chance, and I told you I will send you a Google form. I just thought it's your examination going on. That is why I did not send it to you. I will send you a Google form, a test wherein you have to write a passage. You have to write a story. I will give you an outline of the story, and you have to make a story. But first, you have to understand the difference between a story, a passage, a paragraph, and an essay. I asked you
ma'am,
to make a story on summer vacation, so probably Natik, what you said was a story. All others tried to make it a story, but
ma'am मेरी story थी.
it sounded more like an experience. It was more of an experience, like your experience of a summer vacation or why you like summer vacation. It did not sound to me or any of the people listening to you as a story. So when we talk about the next type of communication, that is listening, the first thing we learn is what is effective communication. Mute yourself, all of you. I will give you time to speak. I've already given you enough time to speak. First, listen to me so that you are able to answer properly when I send you the Google form. So, effective communication is a communication that is clear and easy to understand. If I want, I can myself write a 10,000 page book on effective communication. But the basic idea of an effective communication is the one that is effective, that is clear and easy to understand. I was not able to communicate effectively my idea to you of making a story. That is why you people ended up making a paragraph. Or in other words, you people were not attentively listening to what I was saying. That is why you were not able to understand clearly and you ended up making a passage. So it can be either ways. It can be the speaker's fault or it can be the listener's fault. More is, I was very clear and I was repeating again and again, but you people missed on it because I gave you a topic which was not related to a story. But we have to take out our creation from that. We have to be creative enough. Many of you want to become writers, as I saw in your answers. And anything and everything that you want to become, the idea should be clear. The concept should be clear, that what you are trying to write or what you want the other person to understand. Right now, I was listening to your stories. I could make out that all of you enjoy summer vacations. Some of you were not able to, or most of you, all of you were not able to go to any hill station or anywhere in the previous summer vacation because of the lockdown and the COVID situation, and you want this summer vacation to be better this time. But this was your experience or your feelings. This was not a story. A story is an imaginative thing. It is our imagination that we think that this thing can happen. If you tell me that there was a boy who went there and I helped him, this can change out to be a story. The outline is of story, but more or less, the story is a visualization in our mind and a creative idea. We have to add some creation and make it more interesting. Got it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, okay.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
want to end it with some lines.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I want to end it with some lines. Can I ask
Okay.
some
Yes.
lines?
Yes, you can.
Summer vacations offer us rest as well as time to take revision of all work that we have done before summer vacations. In last 3-4 days of summer vacation, we get ready for my school routines. We maintain our holiday homework copies and projects properly, and so summer vacations makes our minds fresh to continue our studies with a new interest.
Very good. So she has concluded the story. The thing that you all were calling a story, she has concluded your experiences with her experience. When you speak or write something, you give it a conclusion. Mute yourself, Pratiksha, mute yourself.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आपने बोला था कि आपने जो लास्ट टेस्ट हुआ था उसकी जो मार्क्स थे वो आपने मेल किए हैं पर वो हमें रिसीव नहीं हुए हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं अभी सर को 10 बजे तक सारों का एक्सेल शीट में मार्क्स भेज दूंगी, सर ग्रुप में शेयर कर देंगे आपके साथ, ठीक है। पिछली बार हमने डिसएडवांटेजेस कर लिए थे।
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
एडवांटेजेस भी कर लिए थे, डिसएडवांटेजेस भी कर लिए थे, राइट। हम ये भी कर चुके हैं दैट व्हाई राइटिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन।
यस मैम।
We have already done that. What is non-verbal communication?
Ma'am, no. No,
We have
ma'am.
not- Okay, non-verbal communication is any kind of communication that you can see with your eyes, but it does not use any kind of sound or words. Anything that does not uses sound or words is verbal, non-verbal communication. I will give you
gestures and postures.
Yes, very good. It uses gestures and expressions and postures. I will give you a very simple example. You are going through a street. You are in the first street. In the fourth street, there is a fight going on. You are not able to hear. You are not able to. I will come to your doubts. You are not able to hear anything, but you are able to see from very far distance, and you are able to make out that there is a fight going on. So with the actions, you make out that there is a fight going on. So it is a type of a non-verbal communication. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very good. So non-verbal communication is the transmission or exchange of messages through non-verbal things such as eye contact, facial expressions, gestures, posture, body language, appearance, and touch. We will see this photograph and tell me what is happening in the first photograph.
Ma'am, someone doing in the first photograph, a man doing yoga.
Yes, it is yoga. In the second one, in the second one,
In the
Prayer.
second one, the
Ma'am,
boy
prayer.
is
in the
doing the
third one,
prayer.
Ma'am, they are
Reading.
did any three of them, did any three of them come and speak to you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But
No,
you are
ma'am.
able to understand
ma'am.
what they are doing through their gestures and through their body language or their expressions. So this girl looks happy. The third girl looks happy while studying. So this is her expression that she is giving. So facial expressions, eye contact, body language, appearance and touch. हम जब किसी बेबी को उठाते हैं, एक छोटे बेबी को जब हम उठाते हैं और उसको हवा में उछालते हैं, उसको डर लगना चाहिए, लेकिन वो डरता नहीं है क्योंकि वो हमारा टच समझता है। वो ये समझता है कि जो मेरे को उठा रहा है वो मेरे से प्यार करता है, मेरे साथ खेल रहा है और मुझे नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा। तो हम बेबी के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते हैं थ्रू टच, थ्रू हिज साउंड। तो वो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन होता है जब हम बॉडी लैंग्वेज और टच के साथ अपनी बात समझाते हैं। जब हम किसी पेट के साथ बात करते हैं तब भी हम टच करके या प्यार करके उसको इशारों से, जेस्चर्स होते हैं इशारे, इशारों से अपनी बात समझाते हैं। तो वो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन होती है। वेरस वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में हमने क्या कहा था कि जब बेबी अपनी मम्मी से बात करता है, वो बोल नहीं पाता, लेकिन वो रोने की आवाज और हंसने की, स्माइल करने की जो साउंड्स निकालता है, उससे उसकी मम्मी को पता चलता है कि ये मेरे से कुछ कहना चाह रहा है, इसे भूख लगी है, ये परेशान है या ये खुश है। वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में हमने साउंड्स और वर्ड्स यूज किए थे। नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में हम एक्सप्रेशंस यूज करते हैं, जेस्चर्स यूज करते हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं। सपोज एक ग्रुप बैठा हुआ है, एक बॉस है और 10 लोग बैठे हुए हैं, हमें दूर से देख के पता लग जाता है कि ये लोग एक मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, एक कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। वो उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज होती है जो हमें बताती है दैट दे आर डूइंग अ मीटिंग। उसके बाद एक जो होता है वो लीड कर रहा होता है मीटिंग को, और वो बड़े आराम से बॉस की तरह बैठा होता है। हमें बॉडी लैंग्वेज से पता लगता है कि ये बॉस है, बाकी सारे इसके एम्प्लॉइज हैं। वो होती है बॉडी लैंग्वेज। अपीयरेंस से हमें पता लग जाता है कि कोई क्या कर रहा है, कोई कहाँ का रहने वाला है। आई कांटेक्ट, जब हम मम्मी से नाराज होते हैं या टीचर हम पे गुस्सा होती है तो वो हमें आंखें दिखाती हैं, घूरती हैं, तो हमें पता चलता है कि टीचर सारी क्लास से गुस्सा है। अगर हम मम्मी से मुंह बना के साइड पे बैठ जाते हैं या हम मम्मी को आंखें दिखा के बताते हैं कि मुझे ये काम नहीं करना, मुझे ये खाना नहीं खाना, हम नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन का प्रयोग करते हैं। वी यूज नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन to express ourselves without speaking or without using words. However, in verbal communication and written communication, we make use of words, we make use of sounds in verbal communication. ठीक है? Any doubt still here?
No doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, deaf and dumb people also use non-verbal communication.
Deaf and dumb people use non-verbal communication. Sign language is a type of non-verbal communication. However, the blind people make use of Braille script for writing. They can speak, they can listen. So if a blind person can listen to you and speak to you, then he is making use of verbal communication. But while writing or using his Braille script, he is making use of written communication. But if he is expressing by gestures, then it is non-verbal communication.
Ma'am, when will you
can
send
you
Google
please-
Form?
I will send it in
Can you
another
please-
1 hour. I will send it by the end of the day today. I will send it by 10 p.m. Okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Google
can you
Form.
send the Google form of the
दी वॉइस
story?
क्लियर नहीं आ
Yes,
रही है।
I will. I will send you the Google form of
मैम
the
वॉइस
story.
क्लियर नहीं आ रही
Now we
है।
are
Ma'am,
about
please
to
send it
wind up the
tomorrow.
class. We are
Ma'am,
about to
please send
wind
it
up the
tomorrow.
class. Listen to me, everyone, very carefully. I will send you one Google form, in which you all have to make stories, passage, and essays. I will not be giving marks initially. I will mark you after you attempt it. Nobody will write 2 lines or 3 lines. I will write the word limit that I want in it. Nobody will repeat the mistakes that you did in the previous test. And the marks of the previous test, I will send it to your sir in the group and he will share it with you. Okay, now we will end up the class and I will
Ma'am.
meet you day after tomorrow.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am.
send it tomorrow? Can you please send it tomorrow?
Okay, I will
Yes,
send the
ma'am.
test tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, no, we'll send it today.
Those who
Ma'am,
want
send
to
it
do it
today.
today can do it today. I will keep the link
Ma'am,
open
send
till
it
day
tomorrow.
after tomorrow till our next
Ma'am.
class.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
please send the Google Form today.
हेलो मैम।
Okay.
मैम
Yes, you can leave. Sunil ji, wind up करते हैं class को.
ma'am, please check my story that I sent
जी
to
मेरा जी
you
ठीक
on
है,
the
बहुत
summer
अच्छे।
vacation.
ठीक ठीक
आप
है.
जो बच्चे भेजेंगे भेज देंगे। बच्चे बहुत
जी।
बोलते हैं। हाँ,
नहीं,
बहुत
कोई
अच्छे
बात
बच्चे हैं। हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्लास आपकी। हाँ,
Thank you.
और
Ma'am,
Okay.
I
Please
can
send the
send you
Google
a
Form
story.
today.
Please check it.
I have checked
Summer
your